Turning right is going from a major road to a minor road, so you will only need to give way to any oncoming vehicles. We are still using the MS-PSL process used for turning and emerging left. Mirrors. Check your interior and right exterior mirror to see what is behind you and if there is anything on your right-hand side which could prevent you from turning. Signal. Signal right around 5 to 6 car lengths away from the junction. Position. Unlike turning and emerging left, our position is going to move slightly towards the right, so we're just left of the centre line. Once in this position, you must stay there. Don't veer back to the left and do not go over the centre line. Speed. Start braking to slow down, approaching the junction in second gear around 8 to 10 miles per hour, making sure you bring the clutch back up. Look. Firstly, look ahead to see if there are any oncoming vehicles. If the road is clear, then look into the new road and assess whether you'll need first or second gear, using our 3 questions from turning left. Is the road narrow? Are there parked cars near the end of the road? Are there any pedestrians looking to cross the road? If the answer is no, you can continue in second gear. If you answer yes to any of the questions, you will need to be slower and go clutch down into first gear, around 2 car lengths before the turning. If there is oncoming vehicles, we need to look for gaps in the traffic and assess whether it is going to be safe to cross in front of them. You can do this by judging, in the time before they reach you, whether you could walk across the major road you're on from left to right as a pedestrian. If the answer is yes, you can proceed to turn right in second gear. If the answer is no, do not cross in front of them. You will need to go clutch down into first gear and stop at your turning point. This is the point when the centre line of the minor road looks like it is just underneath your right exterior mirror. Stay in this position until there is a suitable, safe gap in the oncoming traffic. The last thing to talk about for turning right is what is known as the right-hand cut. This is where you would turn before the turning point, cutting off part of the wrong side of the road as you turn. This can only be done if it is necessary and safe. It's necessary when there are parked cars on your side of the road close to the junction, and safe when you can see there are no oncoming cars in the new road. Once you get into the new road, check your inside and right exterior mirror to check no one is overtaking you before speeding up again. If you are learning in an automatic transmission vehicle, you follow the exact same process, just ignore the parts about the clutch and changing gears. To recap, when we're turning right, we're only giving way to oncoming traffic. We use the MS-PSL process as we did with turning left and emerging left. We check our inside and right exterior mirror, signal right. When approaching the junction, we position the car slightly to the right. We slow down and approach the junction in second gear. We're looking for safe gaps in oncoming traffic and assessing whether we'll need first or second gear. On the new road, we check our inside and right-hand exterior mirror before speeding up.